Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this pool home for a client in Sun Lake Village. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Right guys, right here at 2390 Jacob Rowe Circle inside Sun Lake Village. Super popular, desirable area, lakeside of the highway. So it's just listed 31 days ago. Had a price reduction down to $670. You start seeing these pop up at the end of summer because they're very popular snowbirds. This one happens to be right across the street from the little park and all the mailbox clusters, so it's considered a pretty nice little location. Of course, being on the lakeside of the highway is very popular. It's close to the launch ramps, etc. So this is in a plan unit development and there is an HOA. It's $230 quarterly. Does have gated side RV boat parking back here with full hookups. Let's go on in and check it out. There's a cool little front courtyard area. There is natural gas over here, by the way, and underground utilities. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 1999 inside of Sun Lake Village. 1,925 square feet. Sits on this nice big corner lot, over 12,000 square feet. They've done a lot of updates in here, including the floors. Nice big open living area, vaulted ceilings, split bedroom floor plan, eat-at kitchen, granite counters. Has integrated speakers in the ceiling. So this one again has the front kitchen with a little dining area at the front. Garage access. Walk-in pantry. They did take advantage of the gas, so they have a gas range. Black stainless appliances. All right, let's go check out the bedrooms. So the master is behind the kitchen over here. Slider out to the backyard pool area. Bolted ceilings in here as well. They also have another mini split AC unit in here. So this one does have a newer central AC heat pump that was installed not too long ago. Nice vaulted ceilings, big master bath with dual sinks, solid surface counters, skylight, can lights. So you have a little linen closet and a double door walk-in closet that's open to the ceiling. You have your toilet with its own door, soaker tub, all solid surface, walk-in shower, solid surface as well. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. All right, so you have the guest bath and the other two guest bedrooms on the other side of the house. This is bedroom number 2 at the front of the house. Looks like they're just using it as an office. Pretty standard setup. Double glass slider closet doors. So you have the guest hallway bath. Has can lights, all surface counter. All right, you have bedroom number 3. The rear of the house has a slider out to the backyard pool area. Big 8-foot double glass door, closet sliders. All right, let's go check out the garage and the pool area. So you have your indoor laundry and garage door access off the kitchen. All right, so you have a 2-car garage, has a 19-foot bay and a 26-foot boat deep bay. 8-foot door that's insulated. You have your soft water heater, RO system, and this guy. All right, so you have a full-length, oversized covered back patio. Has integrated speakers out here as well. Looks like they have a little Mr. system going. Nicely landscaped. Has a little water feature back here. Little covered barbecue area. Nice gunite pool that was recently just replastered, and they got all new pool equipment as well. So the pool is basically in new condition. So they also have a spa out here. And then here's your side RV, boat side parking, full hookups. So it's popular with snowbirds over here at Sun Lake Village because you can't do vacation rentals here. Only 30-day minimum, so these start popping up this time of year after Labor Day. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Jacob Row Circle. Again, this one's been on the market for 31 days, just had a recent price reduction down to $670. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video in the description so you guys can get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is always right below this video as usual. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.